Welcome to Trinity University's Tlearn tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to make a course appear in the My Course section. Let's get started. After logging into Tlearn, step 1 is to click on the course you wish to edit from the dashboard. Step 2 is to click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select Edit Settings. Step 3 is to locate the course start date. Step 4 is to change that date to today's current date. Lastly, step 5 is to click the Save and Display button. After following these steps, you should now know how to make a course appear in the My Courses section.